Hey internet, just a bit of another quick one really. Still on the list for the D1, so I thought it's Monday today, so I thought, well, I'm working the rest of the week, but I'll be at home on Friday, so I thought I'll have a look at the exhaust, and if there's anything I could order, you know, any of the tubing or anything like that, then I could get it here for the weekend and then get it sorted at the weekend. So I've just whipped the exhaust off, which is, as you know, only a couple of minute job. So let's just have a look at the condition of the pipe. And it is a bit, I was hoping to just be able to get the silencer off in one go, but the downpipes wouldn't budge. So yeah, I've just dropped the pipe. So let's just have a look at the condition of it. It is quite holy. Righty-ho, so here is the bottom of the, I'm just trying to work the light in so you can see better. So you can see it looks a bit oily now. It's because I've sprayed penetrating fluid down the pipe ends, just so, you know, down the joints, just so I can try and get it out. But I think you'll be able to see there. You see that hole straight through the pipe? Oh, maybe if I, no, maybe not. Oh, there you go. Can you see that there? So it's quite holy. So I don't know whether they can be repaired or not. You can just see there. It's obviously the place where water gathers, isn't it? Now, my good friend has said he will take it to his exhaust man. I want him to. And his exhaust man apparently makes exhausts. He was the one who was going to do the one for the Z550 for me, but we just left it as it was. But yeah, I mean, that one doesn't look too bad. I guess I've got to get the downpipes out. Oh, yeah, I can see a hole in that one. I don't know if you can. It's sort of right up here, right up in there. You know, and it's like I say, it's obviously where you just can't clean it very well, and it weathers. So I suppose it might be a case of, if these can be repaired, replaced maybe, you know, I don't know, cut off, and then new ones, obviously they've got to be the same bore so the downpipes fit, but if they can be renewed, then we can save it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see if I can whip these out, because either way they've got to come out, haven't they? A couple of them move and a couple of them don't, so yeah, we'll just see how we get on with that. Oh, that one's out. Oh, now these are the two that don't want to come out. Three. Right then, I'm gonna have to admit defeat on that, because I haven't got any oxyacetylene torch or anything like that, and I think it needs a bit of heat to get it out. The third one I got out was really tough, and this one just won't budge. And I'm gonna damage it if I whack it too much or anything else. So I think it's gonna have to go away. I'm gonna go and message my mate in a minute and see if I can't get it dropped off at the repairman, and see if he can do anything. You can see a bit better now the damage that's been caused by corrosion. Let's just have a quick look. I don't know how well you can see that. Try and get the light on it there. So you can see great big hole all the way down there. Yeah, so like I said, I think these are going to have to be snipped off somehow, and then new ones welded onto there. I don't know whether that can be done. Like I say, I can't get this one out, so that's going to have to be warmed up. But then, just looking at this one, again, I don't know how well you can see that, but down here, Great big hole, screwdriver in it there. Yeah, I think that one's not too bad. It certainly doesn't look it, but I don't know what's under there. And like I say, I can't get this downpipe out, so that's going to need heating up and pulling out, and then all that's going to need welding up. So, right, off to my mate to see if he can get it done for me, because this is not something I'm going to be able to do in the garage myself. Right, so yeah, as I say, off to the repair shop for the exhaust. I'm not going to be able to do anything with that myself. I suppose I could start trying to bodge it up, but do I really want to do that? No, I don't. So yeah, we're going to get a proper job done. I'd like to keep the 4-into-1, and I did look them up. I mean, I know Motad went bust in the late 90s, wasn't it? So you can't get them anymore. And I did find a perfect brand new one for sale. I'm not too sure how recent it was, but the thing was, it was the guy had bought it for a restoration project he was going to do like 20 years ago, sold the bike loads of years ago, and then clearing out his garage discovered he'd got this brand new Motad. I think it's an MX2 MZ5 it is. No, sorry, it's an MZ5. This is the fourth pipe. So yeah, an MZ5 Motad exhaust. I'd like to keep the silencer. The pipes and everything look pretty good condition. It's just those joins there. So, I mean, I guess the baffle could be rotten, but I don't really know. But I'd like to keep the pipe. So, yeah, off to the repairers. So, just a quick one for today. Catch up with me soon. Oh, other news. So the rear shock absorbers, they should be 335mm eye to eye, and there's a raft of or a ton of non-genuine ones available, and these are 355 at least. So I would say that they're definitely wrong, which is why the bike's sitting high, and which is why the side stand is at a ridiculous angle when you try and put it on there. So I have found some. I haven't ordered them yet. I will be, but I wanted to get the exhaust done first. Yeah, I think that's about it. The other thing was, which was a dead giveaway, is this document I found said the seat height should be 31.5 inches. So there's no way that's what it is. It's well over that. So yeah, all good. Catch up with me real soon when we'll be hopefully getting the exhaust back and putting on the bike. Okay, thanks. Bye.